Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's style. Today's haircut today is peculiar style. It's a little edgy and will always make it look incredible. So one thing about the style is that it's a style that uses less time to create and is a low maintenance cut. So this style, you can see, can help you to really save those precious moments you spend in the mirror, like in the morning and want to catch some well deserved sleep. So this haircut, you can see, they are not boring. You can sometimes try to add a splash of color like the blonde. You can add maybe the platinum or the ox blood for those that love the natural colors like the brown, which is the color 34. You can add the splash of colors you want to your hairstyle to really enhance that your beautiful look you want. And this haircut, you can see from the screen, is so beautiful, and nothing is as simple as to create this easy short natural curls. And you can see the style has the best look you can really create. You can always make them in different various sizes or lengths. Just let yourself shine with this classic haircut. Next time you want to attend that event, so just say hello to free mornings, because you're not alone. If you really don't feel like doing anything to your hair, but you just want to have to let it stay unkept, instead just visit the stylist. If you can do it yourself and get this beautiful haircut that will define your beautiful hair. So you don't really have to do anything else with this haircut. It's just a wash and go every morning and nothing more. It's a style that is versatile. You can see the coils are fun. You can also make them even more lively, like with the right texture, which I've always talked about. Like we have Step the Barber's product, which is the Kings and Coils. It comes with the mousse, it comes with the color highlights, it comes with the leave-in conditioner, it comes with the moisturizer. It comes in different products and different prices. You can get some for as low as $2, some as $7, some as $8, $20, depending on the particular product you want. And Step the Barber, which is Kings and Coils, has the best products that will give your hair that relaxed hair or laid down you want, and also give you those defined coils also. So you can use within the range of $2 to $20, and you can get this online through Amazon. You can get it to a shop right there in the US at Atlanta, Georgia. You can also get it in any shop of your choice, or you order online. All you just need to do is just to detangle your hair with the brush. Then you can twist them, either with the side or the slick, but depending on what you want for that neat chic style, and you will the look will always look perfect as you want, because it's a style that's easy to work and play with. Those styles, you can see, never gets old, and you can do it with your beautiful natural hair. It's a really bold one, and one of the best things about the hairstyle is that you can just get up and go. All you must do is just to come on the top if you're really feeling more adventurous. Try out this haircut. Let me know your mind on how you feel about the style. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. God bless you guys. Stay locked to wear the stars, and see you guys in my next video.
You in front of me. Jesus, Jesus.